All right, good morning. Our Bootstrap installation was having a kind of problem, but later we understood that the installation was not done in the right place. So after installing Bootstrap from the terminal, you come to angular.js and then you search under the build. Under this build option, come down to styles. This is where you put in the path for the bootstrap.main.css, and then then the JS should be entered here. Here you separate by comma, and when you run it, it will work. And this is what we have. We have tested that Bootstrap is working now. So that's it for that. We'll continue with the next thing in our next video.